Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 10A, question number 25 to last Chapter 10 Profit and Loss. Exercise 10A. Question number 25. If the selling price of a TV set, if the selling price of a TV set is equal to 6 by 5 of its cost price, find the gain percent. Here let CPB rupees X. Let CPB rupees X. Therefore, SP equal to 6 by 5 of its cost price. So rupees 6x by 5. CPX, SP 6x by 5. So find gain. Gain equal to SP minus CP. SP equal to 6x by 5 rupees 6x by 5 minus rupees x. LCM 5 6x minus 5x equal to rupees x by 5. Now find gain percent. Gain percent equal to gain into 100 by CP equal to gain equal to x by 5 into 100. CP x. X to x cancel and 20 5 ja 100. So 20% answer of this question. Understand and write it. Next question is question number 27. By selling a bucket for rupees 322. By selling a bucket for rupees 322. A florist gained 15%. At what price should he sell it to gain 25%? First of all, find CP of bucket. Have given SP equal to rupees 322. Gains 15%. So CP at 15% gain. 15% gain. Formula SP into 100 plus SP into 100 by 100 plus gain percent equal to SP 322 into 100 gain 15%, so 100 plus 15 equal to 115. 25 ja 100 and 23 5 ja 115. Now divide it 23 times. 322 divided by 23. Divide here. 322 divided by 23. One time 23 12, 12 minus 3, 9, cancel, 2, 23 4 जा 92. So 14 times. 14 into 2. Rupees 14 to the 28 and 0. Rupees 280 is CP. Now, find new SP at 25% gain. So therefore, new SP at 25% gain equal to formula, right formula, CP into 100 plus gain percent. 100 plus gain percent by 100 equal to CP equal to 280 into 100 plus 25%, 125 by 100 divide 25 5 ja 125 and 25 4 ja 100 and 4 times 280 divided by 4, 4 7 ja 28, 0, 7 5 ja 35, rupees 350. Answer of this question. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 29. A radio is sold. A radio is sold for rupees 3,120 at a loss of 4%. What will be the gain or loss percent if it is sold for rupees 3,445? Here given SP equal to rupees 3,120 and loss 4%. So find CP. CP at 4% loss. CP at 4% loss. Retain formula, right formula. SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. So SP is 3,120 into 100. 100 minus loss percent, 100 minus 4% by 96. By 96. So divided 24 times. 24 for the 96 and 25 for the 100 and 3,120 divided by 24. So first of all divided by 6 times. 6 times divided by 6 times. 6 for the 24. It is also divided by 6 times. 6 5 ja 30. 1 2. 6 2 ja 12. 0. And 4 times 13. 13 4 ja 52. 130. equal to 25 into 130 into 25. Multiply it. 130 into 25. 0. 13 5 ja 65. 0. 13 2 ja 26. 0. 5. 3250 equal to rupees 3250 CP. Now find SP. Given SP is new SP rupees 3445 and CP 3250. So gain equal to SP minus CP equal to 3445. 3445 minus 3250. 3250. Subtract it. 5 minus 0. 5. 4 minus 5. 14. 14 minus 5. 9. And 3 minus 2. 1. Rupees 195. Gain percent. Gain into 100 by CP. So 195 into 100 by CP 3250. 0 to 0. And 5 times 5 to ja 100 and 5 times 5 5 ja 5 to ja 10 and 5 6 ja 30 and 5 5 ja 5 to ja 15. 3 times 65 3 ja 195 and 3 to ja 6% again. Answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question number 34. A grocer bought sugar worth of 4,500. He sold 1/3 of it at a gain of 10%. At what gain percent must the remaining sugar be sold to have a gain of 12%? On the whole, here total CP of sugar equal to 4 rupees 4,500. And find total SP at 12% gain. So write total SP at 12% gain equal to formula CP into 100 plus gain percent by 100. equal to rupees 4,500 into 112 by 100. Double zero to double zero cancel. Multiply 112 by 45. So result is rupees 5,040. 5,040. Now he sold 1/3 of it at a gain of 10%. So find CP of 1/3. CP of 1/3 equal to 1/3 into 4,500 equal to rupees 1,500. 1,500 is the CP of 1/3. So next find SP of 1/3. SP of 1/3 at 10% gain. At 10% gain equal to formula है CP into 100 plus gain percent. So CP is 1,500 into 110 by 100. CP into 100 plus gain percent, तो 110 cancel, 0 to 0, again 1 0 equal to 1,000 multiply है 150 into 150 1650. So rupees 1,650. Now remaining CP, total CP is 4,500. 4,500 minus 1,500 equal to rupees 3,000. And remaining SP equal to 5,040 minus 1,650 equal to subtract है 0 minus 0 0, 14 minus 5 9, and 9 minus 6 3, 4 minus 1 3, rupees 3,390. Remaining CP, remaining SP. So gain equal to 3,390. Gain equal to SP minus CP. So 3,390 minus rupees 3,000 equal to rupees 390. Now gain percent equal to gain percent equal to gain into 100, 390 into 100 by CP 3000, 1 0 1 0, next 0 and third 0, and 13 3 ja 39, so 30% answer. Homework, solve exercise 10A. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 10A, question number 25 to 34. Thank you. That's all.